Somebody has another question. Recently, you use Wix to create your own landing page with form. Should you use conversion objective or traffic objective? Okay, now the first thing first, if you have everything set up properly, like your pixel set up properly, and you have your thank you event, which is the, if it's conversion for list for a form, then it has to be complete registration and everything set up properly, you should go for conversion. Yeah, I think it's conversion. But nonetheless, if conversion, you can test it first. If it's still not getting you very good clicks and good people coming over, then you can actually test it with traffic. Because if you ask me, I'll always go for conversion because my pixel is very well trained. I mean, I've been actually running ads for a long time and we have good visitors coming into our site. So it's working. But for your case, if you're seeing, if you set up with conversion, if you're not seeing good result, then maybe you can start testing. We start with traffic first. So it's either or. Both are applicable, but you just have to test it for yourself. You have to monitor, when it comes to all the metrics like CTR, cost per result, and all these things. Just have to actually, monitor all these things. Both works, if you ask me. But if we talk about my preference, I will go for conversion.